Okay, so the other thing is that's how the door should close. This bracket should be parallel, and what I've done is I've just kicked it out probably a couple of degrees, not much. The other thing I'm going to do is I've put anti-takeoff bolts underneath here, six screws bolted through to the solid core door. I'm also going to put nuts on here as well. I've decided to use the longer thread here because as the door keeps moving, opening and closing, the screws do come loose on here, so I chose to use the longer ones, and I'll bring some M5 nuts, Nylox nuts for that. So let's have a look at the full product. So open the door. As I said today, that the wind is blowing a fair bit. So slowly going. This is a disabled toilet, this one. So we want it to go about that slow, and you hear the click that is on there. So we want it to test it from there as well and make sure that it does click in. And that's the door closer, that's done. So the only thing we need to do now is put an indicator bolt on there and pack this out because it's all steel. Pack it out, put the indicator bolt on there, and then this door will be finished. Okay, let's have a look again. Probably a pretty boring video. So we've used the Dormer door closers here. It's a commercial kind of public place, so we need to use something that is going to work and work reliably for I don't know, 10 years, maybe even more. They are expensive, but you pay for quality in the end. Alright, cheers, thanks for watching.